Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Zimplit CMS on Debian version 11.3. CMS means Content Management System. It is software used to manage the digital content. Zimplit is a lightweight, simple and customizable user-friendly content management system ever made. Prerequisites Apache Web Server and PHP and its modules. First I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next I will download the Zimplit CMS. Next I will extract the download file. Next move to the extracted file to the Apache home directory by using the command. Next change the ownership to the Zimplit directory by using the command. Next change the permission to the directory. Next create a virtual host for the Zimplit CMS by using the command. Now enter the virtual host server name and document root directory. Then save and exit. Next disable the default virtual host file of the Apache. Next enable the virtual host, and before the I will enter the virtual host. Now enter the server name. Then save and exit. Next enable the virtual host by using the command. Next enable the read write module of the Apache. Next restart the Apache web server using systemctl command. Next I will rename the simplits.php by index.php by using the command. Again restarting the Apache web server using systemctl command. Again restarting the Apache web server. Then go to the browser and ping the server. This is the Zimplit homepage. Now enter the username and create password. and enter the mail address. And agree to continue. This is the dashboard of the Zimplit CMS. By these two the install steps for the Zimplit CMS on Debian version 11.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.